Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today, I am going to do a get ready with me video. Ngayon, i-feature ko yung mga favorite products ko from Sephora and Ulta. Dalas ko kasi guys napapansin na puro affordable products yung mga fini-feature ko sa mga videos like makeup tutorials and get ready with me videos. Bibigyan ko naman ng highlight yung mga products na talagang sobrang favorite ko from those stores, yung nabanggit ko kanina. So, kung interested kayo guys, malaman ko ano yung mga favorite products ko from Sephora and Ulta, just keep on watching. Kahilamos ko lang ng muka, tsaka naglagay lang ako ng toner. So, i-feature ko na lang din dito yung favorite ko na facial oil. So, this is the Laura Mercier Flawless Skin Infusion de Rose Nourishing Oil. Ayan. Actually, ito na yung second bottle ko na gamitin to. Ito yung klase ng oil na ma-absorb talaga siya ng skin nyo and you feel that your skin is well hydrated. I do have like 3 types of primer here. Actually, itong isa hindi siya primer. This is the Fenty Beauty na Soft Silk Pro Filter Primer. Ayan. Ito muna guys yung i-apply ko. Onti lang. Inilalagay ko lang siya sa mga 1 pump lang, ganyan. Nilalagay ko lang siya sa areas na alam kong kailangan ng extra hydration. My nose. Dito sa part na to. Tapos the rest dito. I also do have here the Cover FX Gripping Primer plus Firming. Kung gusto nyo naman ng medyo may pagka-adhesive type yung inyong primer dun sa inyong ilalagay ng mga base or makeup, so magandang klase itong si Cover FX. Actually, nung umuwi kami ng Philippines, ito yung ginagamit ko para hulas-free yung aking makeup. And ganyan lang guys yung itsura niya, para siyang clear gel type. Alam niyo ba, ang sikreto sa magandang makeup is yung maganda yung base nyo. Like yung foundation, concealer. Kasi kahit hindi kayo mag-extra na sobrang daming color sa mukha, like sa eyeshadow, tapos maganda naman tignan yung inyong skin, perfect na yun. Maglalagay lang muna ako ng lip oil. This is the Clarins Paris Lip Comfort Oil. And this is in the shade of 02 or Raspberry. Ayan. I'm going to use 2 types of foundation. Isang stick, tsaka isang liquid foundation. Ito ang Hourglass na Vanish Stick Foundation. Ayan. And yung shade ko dito is Linen. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. And yung shade ko is 210. Gamitin ko na pang-blend is itong si Tarte Beauty na Blendiful. I have heard a lot of, alam niyo na, things about this product. May mga iba hindi nila nagustuhan, may iba naman na bet nila. Ako, okay lang. And I think it takes a lot of practice sa paggamit nitong Blendiful para masanay ka rin kasi sanay na tayo gumamit ng sponge, diba? Gagamit ako nitong Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Ayan. And yung shades ko dito is light, medium, and light. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dyan. Gusto kong takpan ng onte. Ayan. Papatungan ko. And then, lalagyan ko lang din ng onting shade nitong light. I'm going to use this Milk Makeup Stick Matte Bronzer. And yung shade ko dito is Baked. Alam nyo ba, nagbabrowse ako ng mga pictures ko nung mga around 2015. And yun kasi yung mga panahon na pumayat talaga ako ng bongga. Sa mga 118 ata yung lightest ko. And dati nakakapag-free size ako ng damit. Ngayon, hindi ko na nagagawa, guys. This is from Charlotte Tilbury na Flawless Hollywood Filter or Hollywood Flawless Filter in the shade of number 4 medium. Fenty Beauty. Tapos yan yung shade niya, Lavender. And now, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty na Pro Filter in the shade of Butter naman, guys. Ito yung full size. Ayan. And ito naman, nilalagay ko sa entire face. And then, tap lang yung excess dito para maset yung bronzer na nilagay natin. Then, tap. Blend. I'm going to use this Dior Backstage Brow Palette, and this is in the shade of 002 or Dark. For my contour, gagamitin ko tong Dior Backstage Contour Palette, and this is in the shade of 001 or Universal. Right here, this is in the shade of Contour Light. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Dior Backstage Eye Palette. And this is in the shade of Amber Neutrals or 003. I'm going to use this matte smoky brown na color. Kuha lang ako ng ganitong brush. Detailer brush. Tapos yung dark color nito, ayan. Gagamitin ko siya to line my eyes. So, ganyan lang guys yung ginawa ko para kita nyo yung difference, diba? Mas malaki na to compare dito. And guys, naglagay lang ako ng aking eyelashes. And ang ginamit ko is this Kiss Look So Natural na eyelashes. Ganyan. Tapos, nag-line lang ako ng aking eyes by using this Fenty Beauty na longwear liquid eyeliner. Actually, yung tawag dito ay flyliner. Ayan. Ta-tightline lang ng aking eyes. And I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs na eyeliner. And I think yung shade dito ay Earthquake. Yung upper rim. For my blush naman, i-apply ko muna tong si Dior na Contour Deep. This color right here. A little bit lang. Sisimulan ko na dito. Pwede siyang pang blush. Basta dapat light-handed lang. Diba? I'm going to use this MAC Pinch Me na sheer tone blush. Ganyan siya. Ito yung kulay niya, guys. Ayan. And gagamitin ko siya for my blush. Mostly dito lang sa part na to. Gusto ko na medyo makapal yung aking blush. Ito kasi yung favorite combination ko together. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Luminous Flush. Ayan, Hourglass. And yung kulay niya, guys, ganyan. This is a perfect parang light pink to pop up yung cheeks. And usually, smile akong ganyan. Inalagay ko siya sa apple of my cheeks. To get this blendiful, and ito yung favorite ko na Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. Ayan, and yung shade ko dito is 01 Fair. Pag sa all over my face, dapat si medium. Pero ito guys, nilalagay ko lang siya dito sa under eyes ko para mas mag-pop pa siya. Diba? So, maglalagay lang ako guys ng highlight sa tear ducts ko, and I'm going to use... Gagamitin ko tong si Anastasia Beverly Hills na Anrezy Highlighter, and gold yung kulay niya guys. Sobrang blinding nito. And dito din. So, sa mascara pala guys, hindi na ako naglagay sa lower lash line ko. Pero, ang ginamit ko kanina is itong si Charlotte Tilbury na aking eyelash curler, and itong si Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara. I am going to use this Fenty Beauty na Kilowatt Highlighter. Ayan. And itong shade yung gagamitin ko for my highlighter. Usually guys, ginagamit ko tong Hourglass na Ambient Lighting Palette for my finishing powder. Ginagamit ko tong tatlo. Mimix ko lang sila. Lagay ko sila dito sa center of my forehead para mukhang glowy yung skin ko. Dito sa part na to. If you have like very textured skin, and if you have big pores, huwag yung gagawin tong ginagawa ko kasi ma-accentuate yung mga pores nyo. So, kung nakita nyo yung aking eye makeup ay very simple lang. Etong si Fenty Beauty na How Many Carats yung gagamitin ko to add shine dito sa gitna ng aking lids. For my lip liner, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty na lip contour, and this is in the shade of Wifey. This Sephora na lipstick. Actually, hindi to matte. Ganito yung kulay niya, guys. This is very me, yung kulay. Parang pinkish brown. So, tatapusin ko lang yung aking makeup, guys. Then, I'll be right back. So, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, of course, you can click the thumbs up button. And if you want to get notified with my future uploads in this channel, you can click the subscribe or the bell button down below. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you in my next videos. Bye!